clinically proven and all-natural protocol that will allow you to finally reverse your diabetes and take back control. With no medications, exercises or dieting, and do it in as little as a few short weeks. This remedy is designed for any type 2 diabetic, pre-diabetic or anyone who struggles with weight loss, especially those over 35. It's so easy to follow, a child could. Yet, it's more powerful than any medication on this planet. Here we are, ready for you to finally get the flat belly and slim body you've been dreaming of and which you deserve. To free yourself from the clutches of diabetes. So, what exactly are you going to get in the Halki Diabetes Remedy? You'll get your hands on the Halki Diabetes Remedy Fast Start Guide, where you will find everything you need to know to reverse diabetes. To make things as easy as possible for you, you'll also get a 3-week protocol to follow, telling you exactly what dressings to eat each day, and when, for maximum results. The exact same protocol that had huge success in patient trials. All you need to do is follow the protocol and eat the dressings twice a day as instructed, to achieve the same dramatic improvements in your diabetes that thousands have achieved. And the best part is, there's no need to completely change your diet, or starve yourself. All you need to do is simply add these dressings to your existing lunch and dinner, and each and every ingredient can be picked up for just a few pennies from your local grocery store. They take only 60 seconds to make. It really is that simple. To get more information, click on link below in the description.